Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your iPad model and iOS version so you know which methods will work. Once done, check free storage and network speed. Heavy images need space. Next, download the chosen Android solution, an emulator app, VNC client, or cloud Android service, and sign in. Make sure you have any required configuration profile or helper app installed. This lets the iPad run or connect to Android. Now that prerequisites and first installs are complete, move on to configuration. You now configure the Android environment. Adjust resolution and display density so apps render properly. Map touch gestures to mouse events when needed. Once configured, enable file sharing and clipboard sync so you can move photos and text seamlessly. If using a remote Android, establish a secure connection and pin login credentials. Test latency and change streaming quality to reduce lag. Make sure keyboard shortcuts and long press gestures behave correctly. This prevents control conflicts. When everything responds, prepare for final steps. You finish by installing essential Android apps and updating Play services or side-loaded APKs so things run smoothly. Once done, tweak performance. Lower resolution or disable animations. This improves responsiveness on iPad. Make sure storage and permissions are granted for camera and files. If you encounter input lag, reduce streaming bitrate or switch protocols. If an app crashes, clear data or try a different emulator image. A key troubleshooting tip: reboot both the iPad app and the Android instance before deeper debugging. This resolves
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.